I want to talk about some things that help me grow my business, and I think it'll definitely help y'all. As you can see, we're doing a different type of video. I'm just recording it right off of my phone. We got my microphone right here. It's not attached to what's going on. You feel me? But we just gonna get straight into it. Just got out the gym not too long ago. Y'all can see, you know what I'm saying? See the gains, you know what I'm saying? I do a little bit here and there going to the gym. So I want to just basically talk about what helped me grow my business. And I know it might be somebody that has a credit repair business or just has any business that's watching this and you're thinking about how to go about it. And I think as I share what helped me, I think it'll definitely be of benefit to you. So one of the things that I was just thinking about when I was in the gym, as far as growing my business, I was getting text messages about current clients that are looking to get their funding and things like that, is understanding that it's easier to get access to, like, let's say 100K based off of credit versus you having to make that money, So that's one of the things that I think that you should think about and contemplate as you're growing your business or even scaling your business, right? Because you just got to really understand the power of credit. When I started my business, before I was even running ads, I wasn't really thinking about, like, okay, I got to have an ads budget. got to have this, I got to have that. But once I actually started running ads, I got the Amex Business Platinum, right? Hold on. So I got the Amex Business Platinum. It have the numbers on the back, I believe, right? Yeah. So I got the Amex Business Platinum. So, if you have that card, you know how it sounds. I don't know if y'all will hear it. It don't sound like that. Hold on. All right, forget the point. Y'all know it if you have the card. But basically, credit, if you put money on a credit card, it's money you're going to spend anyways. So I think in order to grow your business, you got to understand the ramifications that comes with using that credit. When I'm talking about the ramifications that comes with using that credit, you put maybe $10,000 a month, whatever you spend on ads, on there, versus you doing it on like a debit card or just using your actual money. You might as well put it on the credit card because it's going to pay you back anyways. So now what's going to happen is you're going to be catching free flights. You're going to be getting money to pay off your groceries. These are all things that I learned in 2021 when I first started my business, and I was being more educated about credit. So I'm sorry if you could hear notifications. Notifications are going on. I got my sales team doing like the DMs and things like that. So I was going to talk about that too as far as growing my business, because you want to make sure you have systems. You feel me? So number one is just understanding the importance of credit. Credit is so powerful because you got to think really think about credit. Credit is so powerful because it allows you to basically leverage what you already have. Credit is so powerful because it allows you to leverage what you already have. You see how I'm doing the demonstration with the muscle? I'm feeling myself. Hold on. So credit is important because it allows you to leverage what you already have. You know what I'm saying? So if I got 100, 200,000 chilling in my bank account versus I'm able to go get access to that in credit, you can go get $50,000 credit limit just on one credit card. So it's easier to get access to credit versus having that necessarily in cash. You want to protect your capital as much as possible. You also want to invest, obviously, but you can technically invest through credit. But one of the main things I wouldn't recommend investing what you don't have. You want to invest only what you do have. Invest what you do have. Everything goes back to the foundation. It's credit. Everything goes back to the foundation. It's credit. So if y'all can understand the importance of credit, if y'all can understand the importance of that, not just in your business life, but even in your personal life, I think that you will be able to get to the next level. But this video is more so about your business, growing the business. And what really helped me grow my business was using credit as leverage, because I understood, like, okay, there's these super high, as y'all would say, I guess, expensive products, like a $10,000 mentorship. Why would I not put that on a credit card? Why would I use my own money right away when I put it on a credit card? Worst case scenario, if you get 1% back, you at least got some money. You got a free $100 versus, you know what I'm saying? So y'all want to look at it like, how can I leverage so that I can get ahead? Credit. You have to leverage credit. Credit is gonna be what allows you to get to that next level. That's why I'm always putting out these videos educating y'all about credit so that y'all can go ahead and get to the next level, right? So that's one of the things that I learned within my business. That's one of the things that really helped me within my business. And this is the thing too, because I know some of y'all that watch my channel, you're in different businesses. Maybe you have trucking, maybe you have Airbnb, maybe you have whatever you got, right? And you're just thinking like, okay, I'm hearing what you're saying, but I'm in a different lane. You still need credit, right? You need credit because you're gonna need that capital, whether it's like you got the e-commerce, you gotta go buy your inventory. You really want to front $10,000, $20,000 when you could put that on a credit card and then have time to pay it off. As soon as your inventory is selling, you use your profits to go ahead and reinvest and buy it. This is why you got to focus on credit. This is why you got to focus on having that good credit score. This is why you got to focus on being able to leverage yourself for business funding, right? I got so many videos teaching y'all all these consumer laws, 15 USC, 1681, 1692, all of them, teaching you how to fix your personal credit profile and then go get money so you can get it for yourself. If you're not in our $39 a month university and you're having all these questions about credit, respectfully, you dumb. If you've been watching my videos and you already know we got this $39 a month university where, people are winning, posting their wins and getting to the next level. Because we've been gave y'all the solution. If you just found my channel for whatever reason, God bless you. I appreciate you. Hopefully you subscribe. If you don't subscribe, I won't know. Life is going to continue to go on. So I say that to say, focus on the credit. Credit is going to be the thing that helps you get to the next level. The credit. So that's number one, right? Because I didn't as far as my consumer law journey specifically, I didn't know about all that stuff until 2021. That's when I was being educated about it. Even credit, back in 2020, I was aware of credit. I always had a good credit score. The score doesn't matter. It's about the built out the profile. For those of y'all that may not know, I paid off my student loans within 1 year. So I do have that good history with that, good old accounts and stuff like that. But I just didn't understand the power of credit and, leverage until I actually got into the business world. So some of y'all may be watching me right now and you got you got the 9 to 5, you don't know what business to start, right? Number one, I would say, if you're watching my channel, you can start obviously a credit business. You can focus on the credit repair. You can focus on the business funding. Those of y'all know we get the bag with the business funding. So I would as far as learning curve, I would recommend someone if you're trying to, I don't want to make guarantees, but if you're trying to make money realistically as fast as possible, it'd probably be start a business funding business. But I say that to say, y'all got to realize credit is everything. Credit is going to be what sets you to the next level. Credit is going to be what basically allows you to not only, I won't say start the business, but it's going to be what allows you to grow and scale that business. You can actually start the business with your own capital, which is what I would recommend. Put your money up, right? As far as starting a business. You don't need a lot of money to start a business in terms of, at least my industry. It really depends on the industry you're going in, but I just want y'all to really realize the importance of credit. It's just so important. And it's what really, changed my life. It's what allowed me to retire my 9 to 5. It's what allowed me to do, miraculous things that I don't even speak about out here. So you just want to have that credit as leverage. So that's one thing that I wish that y'all would, take more into consideration, because I know a lot of y'all to watch me, know the importance of credit, but I just wanted to get on here and just chop it up because I was thinking about it as I was, doing my workout. I'm doing my biceps, triceps, all that. And I was like, let me just record a video real quick, while it's on my mind, because I don't know who this video is going to touch. I don't know, God willing, who I'm going to bless with this video. So if that's you watching it, if that's you, and that's you, you feel me? Then take what you will with the message. But credit, man, credit is number one. Credit is number one. You got to make sure that credit is, protect your credit like it's your child, basically, right? That's how important credit is, right? So that's one thing. As far as also, we're talking about what I had to learn to grow my business. Growing the business, right? Systems. You will not grow until you have systems in place. What do I mean by systems? Systems meaning that, for example, I don't do my sales calls, right? As far as credit repair. I don't do my credit repair sales calls because I have systems in place. What does that mean? That means I have sales reps. What's one practical thing that you can do? You can go and hire a closer, pay them 10%. Now you bought your time back so you can focus on higher income activities like recording YouTube videos. Like I'm doing my damn self right now. You know what I'm saying? So you might look at it like, damn, credit repair, business funding, all that. This business is so complicated. Get you a team. And one thing about hiring, let me talk about this too. Something that helped me. I want you to hire fast, fire faster, promote the fastest. Hire quick, fire quicker, promote the quickest. If you can remember that simple concept, I think you'll do good as far as hiring. Some of y'all that are watching this, you never hired anybody, which is understandable. It can be intimidating. But one of the things that I even tell my 10K students is you really want to ask them, like, what do they want? Because you know what you want. You know that you're going to need to get as much as you can out of this employee to where it makes sense while you're hiring them. But you want to look at it like, okay, ask them like directly, do you care more about money? Do you care more about having a work-life balance? Like, should I not book you all of these sales calls? Do you care more about recognition? Being sales rep 1, graduating to sales rep 2, like, do you want to climb up a ladder? So when you're hiring, these are things as a boss you gotta understand, So I just want to educate y'all if y'all don't know already. And these are things I wish I could have told myself years ago before I even started my business. So these are things I had to do over time, just understanding how to actually hire. Obviously having SOPs in place. If you don't know what SOPs are, it's a standard operating procedure. Basically how you do things within your company. When we talk about like from a sales aspect, every business should have sales and marketing, right? Every business should have sales and marketing. But when we just talk about a sales aspect, we talking about the fact that you're going to have people that's taking your sales calls, your Zoom calls. What's their closing rate? Are they closing better than you could close? Right? Because that's going to be very important, because you got to think about it with the numbers. The biggest metric that you really should care about. Where's the profit coming from? Where's the, money generating activities? Sales, marketing, right? How are people being at the top of the funnel? How do you even get people to the top of the funnel? These are questions you need to ask yourself. That goes back into the marketing. This is why running ads is very important, because you're generating new leads every freaking day, right? If you don't got a budget to run ads, you just got to get cold with the organic content. This is organic content right here, So these are things I wish I had someone tell me super early on. So I'm just coming on here and just like documenting, I guess, like as like a journal or something. And I hope that it helps you. I hope it helps your business. I hope it helps you get to the next level. I hope it just blesses you and, inspires you to move forward, because, life is short. So you just want to make sure that you're adding as much value to people. And I'm hoping that, this can be my contribution to y'all. As y'all can see, I got over 2,000 YouTube videos, but it's just each attempt is making sure that I can do what I can do, my best attempt to make sure that something hits and resonates with you. So sales, marketing, very important, right? Credit, like I said, number 1, very important. So I hope that that's helpful. I don't want to make this video too long. My thing is, I want y'all to really communicate. If y'all like this type of video where I'm speaking to the camera like this versus, when I'm teaching on the screen, let me know if y'all like both. Let me know if y'all want more business funding information. Let me know if y'all want whatever knowledge y'all want. Let me know. I'm just here to add the most value I could possibly add to y'all so that y'all can be on y'all way, get to the next level. I want y'all to not have to worry about no scamming ass 9 to 5. I used to work that 9 to 5 like a couple years ago. I got out of it, God willing. So I want y'all to, be on that as well. When I'm making these videos, I'm talking to the past version of myself. I know some of y'all is like me. Some of y'all are like me. You're in that position. You're that person that's like daring. You don't like take no nonsense for no answer. You invest in yourself, that kind of thing, right? One thing about me, I wasn't no scary person with my money when I was working that 9 to 5, even up to now, obviously. I invested my money. I was just like, okay, cool. Let me do my due diligence. Let me invest some money. I know this is someone I'm watching that does not work a 9 to 5. They are where I want to be. Why would I be a dumbass and not get around them so I can get to the next level, right? So those of y'all that have that mindset like I have, I'm creating a video for y'all. those of y'all that have a mindset to where you're just scared of everything. You're just assuming everything is a scam and all that. I'm not creating content for you, right? When I say, the difference between poor people and rich people, right? If you're in my thing like, oh, what's a poor mindset and all that, I'm not creating my video for you. You're who I'm talking to get off my damn videos. You know what I'm saying? So keep that in mind. Those of y'all that's just like me. That's what I'm creating the videos for, right? Because if I saw someone creating videos like me, I'm getting pumped up when they talking about it. Because I know I don't got no poor mindset, right? But if you just like triggered and all that, you probably got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 kids, and all that, and then maybe you feel how you feel. But I'm making these videos for people that's like me. So I hope that this video blesses you. I hope it helps you get to the next level within your business, within your personal development. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. If you like the video, drop down your biggest takeaways and let me know if you do want more videos like this where I just sit down, chop it up with y'all. Just want to have different perspective, a couple things that help me within my business or help me grow. Credit, obviously, is leverage. And then just to wrap up as far as like a recap, like I said, number 1 was understanding, the power of credit and the leverage. And then what did I say as number 2? I was just going off at the cuff. I was basically talking about just having systems. So sales, marketing, and then I could talk about nurturing, but I don't want to make the video too long, so we could do a whole separate video if y'all like this type of content. With that being said, y'all have a blessed one.